Hello. Welcome. I am happy you are here. Today, you learn easy English words. Very easy words. You can listen. You can repeat. You can learn. This lesson is about basic vocabulary. Basic vocabulary means easy words. Words for every day. Words you can use now. Do not worry. We go slow. You are doing great. Let us start. First word, hello. Hell-o. Hello. I say hello. Hello. Second word, goodbye. 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 I say goodbye. Goodbye. Third word, book. Book. B-ook. Book. I have a book. Book. Fourth word, water. Water. Wa-ter. Water. I drink water. Water. Fifth word, eat. Eat. E-at. Eat. I eat food. Eat. Sixth word, teacher. 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 The teacher helps me. Teacher. Seventh word, school. 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 I go to school. School. Now, guided practice. Repeat with me. Slowly. You are doing well. Say, hello. Hello. Good. Say, goodbye. Goodbye. Nice. Say, book. Book. Very good. Say, water. Water. Great. Say, eat. Eat. Well done. Say, teacher. Teacher. Good job. Say, school. School. Excellent. Now, quick review. Listen and repeat. Hello. Goodbye. Book. Water. Eat. Teacher. School. One more time. Hello. Goodbye. Book. Water. Eat. Teacher. School. You did it. You learned new words. You are learning English, step by step. Be proud of yourself. You are strong. You can learn more. If you like this lesson, please like the video. Please comment the words you learned. Write them below. And please subscribe for more English lessons. Subscribe now. See you next time. Goodbye.